guys. Me, treasure got stolen and I get it back. So you fellow crewmates, that wasn't so British. So they will work to get for the treasure. Okay. That's all. So I don't even know what Robert. Guys, Robert in a good mood today. After finally arguing with Dad. So I don't know. And also, I had Robert's favorite color green, so I feel bad. Yo! Yo, Kevin! What, you hearing? Yeah? What are you? Oh, me? I don't know. Nice, what color are you? Oh. Right. Green. Oh. I guess I'll show you something. Okay. Here? Nah. Did I set my invite up? Oh, here. Okay. Guys, give a second. Oh? Yes? Does he Robert? Where is he? Booga! Yeah. Alright. And also, we also got our own boats. Guess I knew. So yeah. You are new. We built a long hammer. Okay, let me show my save. I got 4 save. I got 6 gold. I got 9. I got one. I just got 106, but I used 4. That's what, bruh. Okay, the 4th save is airship. Airship? Yeah, let me load. Where's it? The loading! Where? Oh, okay, follow me. Okay. This. Is that airship? Just wait! God, you're impatient. Ready, launch boat? Yep. So. Oh, now loading. Now loading. Oh, loading. Oh, now loading again. Oh, loading. Okay, the bigger options are coming. Get launch the airship. First, we wait. Bigger option. Okay. Okay, come on. I try to love my best here. Okay. Yo, wrong. Okay. Now put that in D2. Spinning! Elf, name, elf, back, elf, name, elf. Dawakan. Yo, that can't be me! I cannot take it. This is not. Large airship, bro! Large airship! Whoa! Why? 3 airships. That could be me over there, you know. I don't care. How's drive? How you drive on air? That's just called a strategy. Who call it strategy? Me? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yo, what movie you watching? What movie? Oh. Betty the Ink Machine. Oh, that's very nice. No! He died! He died! Oh. I don't even get Betty the Ink Machine. Okay. Whoa. I mean, okay, just cross over. Okay, keep this on forever. It's alright. Then Charlotte say, getting in. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let's the end. Fox. Okay. 4 stocks. Go. Okay. We're always banned 6 minutes. How you know? I mean 5 minutes. Oh, we almost there. We almost there? Yep. Okay, they're cheating. This is cheating. Like what I said, it's just strategy. Okay. Wait, our seat. I want seat. Ow. We don't have our seat. What's too bad for you? Ah! Oh, yo. This is back water. Oh, yo. Yo. I'm sorry, man. And there I go. Wait for me. What too bad? Oh. I got Master Boulder. Wait, cheating. Nice. One fine block. Wait, open search chest. I'll buy that treasure chest. I can't. Nothing. We're lagging what? Go open search chest. What the heck? Go back. I want to open search chest. Oh! Open. Yes, sir. Nice. I'm happy. So happy. Okay, are you ready for next save? Yes. Also one seat. Loading. How you even get in there? Get in. What? Get in. Wait, not joining me? Yo! It's over me! Look. Be watching you for 4. Wait, why me got coming from 4? Yo! Yo! Bye! Don't you buy me? 2 seconds. But really? 2 seconds. E-Wave. Yep, I E-Wave. Nah, bro, just E-Wave at me. Just see on screen. Where they? I came with controller. Yeah, that whole point. Oh. I'm watching for you scream. I don't like you. Oh my god. Ah, that's miserable. Well, actually not. That's pretty good life. The robber. Hey! Kevin actually called it a lifestyle. Okay. Wait, go launch. For launch, okay. Hey! Ow, ow. Oh, I face forward. I face forward. Oh god, oh god. So, X1 is box 1.5. You have not rocks. Also, working on box 2.0, but I'm done yet. I still got it. See? Not sure. When I die. Oh god. God. I get homesick. In real life. Oh god! Bro, what's wrong of this chair? And I gone for. God, oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, oh yeah. I done. Why I Oh, god. We get here too, really. Yeah. Okay. Show me box 1.5. Wait. Just again die. What? Something wasn't working for me. Yes, I was on boot too. I've died for a second. Oh. Good. Go die. Oh yeah. How far is it? Say E. Wave. Bye. Secretary. Ugh. We're just seventh journey back. Yeah. Spawn is safe. Box 1.5. Loaded. Whoa, wait, that's pretty good. I know, right? I'm crashing stuff. Oh. Regular truck. Oh yeah, cheesy. Oh, that's cheesy? Nice. Come through the door. Adjustment. Oh, nice. Oh, I can sit. Anyways. Oh, stop out. $90. Oh, thank you. Wee. Go. Also, inside, so it won't break. Oh, let's go. Nice, wait. Oh, back to more. I'm not pretty sure that was it. What I mean, what's the real picture? I love these. Ah! Oh no. Yep. Oh yo. My game is froze. Game froze. Your game froze. Am I with you? Yeah. Still with me. I'll see that. Go back. I can move. What too bad? Or it, no. Probably come along answers. Okay, see my feel. I go and cut the yoga. Come back. Wait, why can't you choose? What the heck? So here's my box. Well, I want to show you my box 2.0. I'm not finished yet, so that will go undone. Guys! Oh, Kevin, right here. I was showing my code. My 2.0 box. Oh. Let me do it. Upload very soon. Yo, Michael! Yo! Kevin! Okay. Yo! Sure! Don't for me. Yo. Wait. I'll see you after? Oh, no. That's not finished yet. Let's launch. Right new to this. Need to. Oh. What? Oh my god! Michael, come on. What? Kevin asked you for it. Hold on. Michael, come in. Come in. Oh god, oh god, oh god. No one touch everything. Don't touch. Don't touch. Michael. Right, big butt. Ah! Guys! Hey, what the? What are your legs now? Still alive? Or dead? I'm dead? You're dead! Oh, I am next. Just kidding, bro. Oh, you! Okay. Oh, God. Okay, let's cut what happened, okay? That video is too long. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh! I'm dead. Oh, God. Forget. I'm freaking out. Oh, God. Guys! Ah! No! What am I supposed to do? Bruh. Still alive. Okay, I don't see how many I get. You're too really. I don't know. Well, what's gotta be? So I go there, okay? Okay, guys. This. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bruh.